be showing you guys this clean girl look. No, this look is so beautiful. Like, I really love the look, from the freckles to the blush to the eyes, and everything is given. Also shared a lot of tips, secret tip that I want to share with you. To you especially, you have to wait to the end to, you know, get those tips on how to achieve a very natural clean girl look. Yeah, so without further ado, let's us get right into this video. So what I like to do is I like to go in with my vitamin C, then I go in with my primer. I'm just gonna apply this on my face, and this just helps to like brighten my skin. So yeah, my hair's all messed up. I just got out of the shower. I had a wash day today, so I'm going in with my primer, and I'm just gonna take 2 pumps because I'm also gonna mix my primer with my foundation, but we're gonna get into that later on. Use my arms. I'm using Fit Me Maybelline foundation. It's the normal to dry luminous smooth foundation, and I'm just gonna take a pump on my arm. Yeah, that's enough. Take that same primer that I used, and I'm just gonna take 1 more pump of that, and I'm gonna mix these two together with my arms, just like that. Yeah, we're getting messy, but trust me, it works. And I'm just gonna use my arms to blend it into my face. I take my sponge and my setting spray, and I'm just gonna use this to make my sponge damp and squeeze that. I'll use this to damp all over my face to make the foundation and the primer all set into my skin. So I'm taking my LA Girl HD High Definition Concealer, and I'm using the shade Toffee. Use this brush. It's a very small brush. This will do the work for spot concealing. I have these baggy eyes. They are hereditary. I can't do anything to them, so I just try to work with what I have. So I'm just going to conceal the normal way that we all conceal, which I place a little right here, and I'm going to drag the concealed to cover that line. You can see like it's a circular line, so I drag it to cover that line, hit upwards to give me that lifted look. If you have this dark circles or inner circles like I said earlier on, you want to use a brush. Trust me, if you use a beauty blender, it's fine, it's cool. Using this brush, it just, you know, blends that product into that area that you want it to be in. If you use a sponge, it's just going to like distribute the product in every area, but this will just make it stay in that particular area. So I'm going to use this to blend all the spots conceals that we did. Then I will leave my under eyes to sit, and I'll go in to do my brows. I'm going to use my spoolie and hair wax to do my brows. So if your gel comes in like a box like this one, you don't want to use your spoolie and scoop it out. You want to use your arm, take a little product and apply that on your lash. I'm gonna brush out the gel now. In this pencil, it's a brown pencil. I'm going to make my brows look fuller. Yeah, they're looking kind of weird now, but trust me, after concealing, they will look nice. So I'm gonna take this brush to blend out my brow. I'm gonna start blending my under eyes. So I start from like down, then I blend it together, and then I go upwards and just blend that. Make sure I get under my eyes. So I'm gonna set my face with my setting spray. Everything I'm using will be linked in my description, so you can check them out. Setting powder. I'm using this setting powder today, and I'm using this. So I'm taking my loose powder and this fluffy brush to press on my eye. So I'm taking this blush palette. You can use absolutely any blush that you love. I want like an orangey brown skin tone kind of blush. I think I'm going to mix this and this together to get what I want. So I'm just gonna dab a little in here, and in here, and I'll dust it off, go in, and I'll take my blush up onto my nose area. Very youthful look. So if you want that kind of look, yeah, you could do this. So I'm taking this pencil and I'm going to create freckles on my nose area. Helps to create that youthful look. I'm gonna blend it out with my arm, just gonna push it into my skin. For my eyes, I'm grabbing this my palette and I'm going to take this very light neutral brown shade and I'm going to go on my crease with this, just a little to smoke out my eye. For my lips, I'm using the same pencil I use for my brows, so I do love a very outline lip. So I'm taking the same blush palette that I use and I'm going to mix that same shade that I mixed. I'm gonna use my arm, touch it on my lips. So because I do still love glossy lips, apply gloss on it, but not too much, just enough. My lips are very dry. I'm using this Absolute long lasting lip gloss, and I'm using this gloss applicator from an old gloss to make my eyes pop. I'm using a normal mascara, and I do like my hair like this. I wanted to do like a slick back, but I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face now. Now I want to give you guys a tip. This tip, people pay for it. Okay, I'm just being extra, but I want to share you guys this tip that I recently did, which has been doing wonders for me, for my looks. You take your sponge and you're gonna spray your setting spray. So just spray like a couple times, squeeze so that all the liquid will get into the sponge. Take the sponge and you're gonna dab it on your face. This will make your makeup look it's in your skin. Do this. Yeah, I love you. Bye.